Let's go. Your boy DeVintage got that huge. Got him. And for everybody that said it wasn't happening, you about to get exposed in today's video, man. Nah, man, I'm just kidding. Shouts out to everybody for tuning in to today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated, man. We had a crazy dope stream. I'm talking about we got a bunch of new supporters. We met a lot of people. We had some good interactions. And this shock drop, I feel like was relatively good to a lot of people. I've seen a lot of W's, man. I'm talking about a lot of W's in the chat. You guys are going to see it in the video at some point, man. Shout out to everybody that did tune into the live stream. It was greatly appreciated. But if you guys are new here to the channel, man, help your boy out. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Y'all know likes. Y'all know them comments. Everything helps grow the channel. And y'all see, bro. Y'all see that subscriber count, man. We less than 200 away from that huge 85,000 subscribers. And I said if we hit 85K by May 25th, we go, you know what I'm saying, do a giveaway on the military blue 4s. And it's looking like we already about to hit it, man. We might have to up the you know what I'm saying, the margin or something like that, man. Because we got that joint super quick. Shouts out to everybody that did, you know what I'm saying, join the channel, became a member of the channel, part of the Vintage Squad. Is greatly appreciated. But you guys know what we're here to talk about, man. This shock drop over the Arizona 4 military blues. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, as you seen earlier today or yesterday, I came on YouTube. I told y'all, bro, we have a shock drop. It's coming tomorrow. Everybody was like, there's no way it's coming. The release ain't till May 25th. Why would Nike do a shock drop a whole month, over a month before the drop? I said, yo, you gotta trust the source. You gotta trust the information we give sometime. I feel like everything was rubbed the wrong way because of the bread. Let me grab it real quick. I feel like everything was rubbed the wrong way because of this issue right here. It was a lot of different information getting pushed around and there. Nobody knew what to believe. So everybody was like, yo, you was wrong about the reimagined 4s. Why should we believe about the military blues? And as y'all see today, and I bet y'all, the people that was commenting that yesterday won't comment it today because they probably feel a little salty, man. They probably eating all their words they were saying, man. But you gotta trust what we say. I know most of the time it is, you know, shock drop with a question mark around it because 9 times out of 10, the sources are like 99% accurate. But it is a little slim margin of change up from Nike. Like Nike can literally change and do whatever they want. That's a $1 billion company. You gotta think about that. They can change it. They can, you know what I'm saying, make it not a shock drop. They can do all types of things for whatever they want. It's their company. But from what we hear from the sources, you know what I'm saying, we give to you guys. And it's like we're not holding the information back. So y'all gotta appreciate it, man. I'm gonna speak for myself. You gotta appreciate sometime me coming to you guys, let you guys know what I'm hearing because I'm just that one person that hears it and spreads out to everybody. Just imagine if I didn't do it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people would take that L or they wouldn't even have known about it. But I'm happy today. It was a lot of W's. And that's what leads me to my next point. I don't know if it was a huge stock. I don't know about the 400,000 pairs that I was hearing. That 400,000 seems far-fetched, you feel me? Because I took an L on my account. I had to go back in and get a size 10, which was crazy. I got an instant W on a 10, which is 30 minutes after the drop. Like, I was pending forever, and I know a lot of people are going to tell me they were pending for like 30 minutes, or somebody probably going to say, they still pending, which is crazy. If you still pending, it's an L. You're gonna be pending all the way until May 25th or for an exclusive access that's most likely gonna come out. And I was talking about in the stream, man, you never know. Nike might even do another shock drop because if it is that 1.7 million pairs that we have been hearing, this is the largest stock from Nike 4, Jordan 4. I can see them doing multiple drops like sneaker passes, reserves, not reserves, exclusive accesses and stuff like that so they can get these pairs out. And if the 400,000 pairs was true today, I don't know, bro. It was tough. I don't never really take L's on shock drops for, especially something with 400-something thousand pairs. That's like a normal drop. So for me to take an L was a little bit alarming. I did end up getting a pair, like I said, man. Shouts out to the sneaker guy. Shout out to the sneakers app, man, for giving your boy that dub. I seen that bank get charged. I said, let's go. Right on stream. It was super dope, man. But if you guys did take a W or if you took an L on the Arizona 4 military blues, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'm trying to see something. I'm definitely trying to see something. And hopefully we see a lot more W's than we see L's. And that's going to help us with actually seeing if that 400,000 stock that we initially heard for the shock drop was true. Because, man, I don't know, bro. It seemed like it was a little hard for some people to get pairs, and it seemed like it was, you know, limited more stock in the smaller sizes. It was more big size getting W's. Like I said, I took a L on my size 9, and I went back in and got a size 10 instantly. So I don't know if it was a bunch of stock in a 10 and up and low stock in the 9.5 and down. I don't know what was going on, but it definitely wasn't easy to get that 9.5 for me. And luckily I got it. But hey, so I got 9.5 and I got size 10. But hopefully you guys know I'm gonna get a double up. So I'm gonna have to size swap or do something with that size 10, because your boy need the double up. And as soon as it touchdown, y'all already know, bro. As soon as them joints touch down, we're gonna unbox some things. We're gonna check them out. We're gonna see what they're hitting for. I have seen a pair in hand. The quality looked like, it looked great. It looked like some great quality. I'm glad they changed it up as far as the sizing, the toe box, and stuff like that. Only thing that I don't like about this drop, and I ain't trying to sound like a negative Nancy, you know, I ain't trying to sound negative, is the change up of the color from that, you know, brighter blue to that more darker industrial blue, the way they market it, the way they change it up. So at the end of the day, it's not the same shoe as what I seen growing up, but it still kind of meets that expectation for me. So I cannot wait to get them things. I cannot wait to throw them on feet. You already know, man, the full review on feet is coming. And again, man, if we get some more shock drops or exclusive access, we definitely gonna be talking about it live on YouTube, man. So if you guys do want to see a giveaway, we did one for the Air Jordan 4 Bray Madness. I would love to do a giveaway for the military blues. All we gotta do is get up 85K, but I might have to up it, man. It seems like we're gonna get way more than 85K by May 25th. So however y'all move, however we doing around the time, we might give away like 2-3 pair. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to actually give them away, because the way I've been doing it recently with putting on a raffle wheel and stuff like that, it's kind of hard to keep up with. So I'm gonna have to come up with ideas, search on YouTube, the best way to actually give back in a fair way, not a biased way, not like me just picking one random name. I want to do it to where one lucky person wins them that actually, you know, not deserves them. You know, of course, everybody deserves them for supporting your boy. I do truly appreciate it, but I definitely want to give away a pair or two of these military blues, especially if it's 1.7 million. And the next thing that I wanted to talk about is the resale value, bro. Literally, we were live on the stream, and after the shock drop, bro, I'm talking about the price went down tremendously. I'm talking about it went down almost $200 from when we were checking it out yesterday on live stream to today. Now they're going for around like 300 bucks. You have some sizes sitting in the 200s. That's slim pickings. But for them to be going for $300, and it's a sneaker of the year worthy shoe, that 1.7 million stock, it gotta be true, because, bro, a sneaker of the year hype and a resale going for only 300, bro, I'm guaranteeing around the release date or on the release date, the things are gonna be going for retail or probably even below retail, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not taken away from the shoe. It's still a dope sneaker. I don't want nobody to think because the shoe ain't going for $1 million, it ain't dope. That's not true at all. You can find a bunch of dope sneakers going for under retail, but I just think that that stock is going to kind of hurt the resale value, and that's only going to help consumers. Like consumers like me and you. I don't resell sneakers. I get shoes because I like them, and of course I get shoes to do reviews and, you know, show you guys on YouTube. But other than that, the normal consumer who wants a pair, you should be good as far as paying around that retail value, even if you somehow take an L on the sneakers out, which I doubt. It's gonna be hard to take an L, bro. It's gonna be hard to take an L. Only way you're gonna take an L on release day is if you're really just literally not trying to get that pair, or if you just lollygag. And I'm just being real. So yeah, man, again, let me know down below in the comment section if you did take a W. Let me know if you took an L. I'm talking about super interested, bro, because on them comments, you guys gonna see, bro, it was a bunch of W's in the live stream. We did a poll. It was like 70% of people, I don't know if they were lying or not, but like 70% of people saying they got a huge W, man. So I cannot wait to read this video's comments and see how everybody did today. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. It's always greatly appreciated. Make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like. We want to get every video up to 400 likes. I know we're going to crush that today's video, because this is the best time of any year, bro. Shock drops, bro. We love shock drops. It just excites everybody to see the community. It just kind of brings everybody together. As you see today, man, it was like 700 people on the streams. It was a bunch of comments, bunch of new people, and it just ultimately brings everybody that loves singers together. This shock drop is just something dope, man. It's dope, bro. It's a good time, bro. Again, man, I love y'all. Thanks for tuning in. And all that's being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.